In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an echo effect to your audio using CapCut. This is a fantastic way to add a unique flair to your soundtracks, making your audio more dynamic and engaging. Whether you're looking to give your content an atmospheric edge or want to create an impactful audio transition, applying an echo effect can truly enhance the listening experience. First, let's start by opening CapCut. For those of you who might not be familiar with CapCut, it's a versatile and user-friendly video editing app that can do wonders with audio and visual elements. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is upload your audio file. You can do this by clicking on the import button and selecting the audio file from your device that you want to work with. Make sure it's in a format that's compatible with CapCut, such as MP3 or UAV, to ensure a smooth editing process. Once you have your audio uploaded, glance over to the right side of your screen. Over there, you'll find various options that CapCut offers to transform your audio. What we're particularly interested in today is the voice changer option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, within the voice changer menu, you'll see a list of effects you can apply to your audio. For this tutorial, we are specifically looking for the echo effect. The echo effect is perfect for creating a sense of space or depth in your audio, and it's quite popular for adding dramatic tones to various types of content. Once you locate the echo effect, which might be under a labeled category or simply listed among other effects, click on it to apply it to your audio, and just like that, you've successfully added an echo effect to your audio track. With this effect, you should notice how it transforms your flat audio into something that sounds much more expansive and lively. Remember, the echo effect can be adjusted or fine-tuned further depending on the specific requirements of your project. Experiment with different settings to find the perfect balance for your content. Incorporating this technique can significantly elevate the production value of your videos, making them more attractive to your viewers. Echo effects are widely used in music production, podcasts, and even in platform-based content creation due to their versatility. So, feel free to get creative and explore how this effect can align with your unique style. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for stepping up your audio editing game on CapCut. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your audio and video projects. Have a great time creating, and I'll see you in the next video.